So we are doing something a little bit different on my channel today. We are cash stuffing. This is not my normally scheduled content. Typically I make beauty, lifestyle type videos. I guess this is kind of a lifestyle video, but this is budgeting. I have recently gotten interested in cash stuffing. I've only sort of done 1 week, so you'll see that when I get into my binders. So this is like really my first official full week of pulling cash out for the cash envelope method. Good old-fashioned Dave Ramsey. I have taken his course years ago and I've just kind of failed to implement it really. I don't think I ever truly understood the cash stuffing concept until I stumbled upon some videos on YouTube, and it opened up a new micro obsession. So I have my binders. I will have everything linked below that I have got. There are so many great shops out there to get really nice quality binders and envelopes, but quite frankly, I can't afford that right now. So if you're just getting started, I will link the things I found below on Amazon that are much more affordable, probably not as good a quality, but like it gets you started without having to use paper envelopes. But if that's all you can afford, by all means, go with the paper envelopes. So I currently have 4 binders. I've already done my budget. I use the Every Dollar budgeting website and app. They have an app also. I do pay for it. I got it originally through my church program, and now I pay for it every year, where it pulls in all of my transactions and I can track everything and I can do paycheck planning. So that's how I came up with my budget. So I went to the bank, I got cash. It's right here. Let's go ahead and count it and get into the cash stuffing. All right, I've got $385. I do have my cash breakdown sheet. I just got this printable off Etsy. I can link that as well. There are so many you could choose from. You could also just make your own or use an Excel sheet. This was only a few dollars, so I went ahead and went for it. So I honestly don't have all my binders memorized, but we are gonna start with my wallet. I have this really pretty pink, kind of sparkly notebook. So I do have a gift card to Texas Roadhouse, and then my Target card and my debit card. So in my wallet, this is where I have all of my like normal spending envelopes. So I've got groceries, restaurants, income. I did put this one in here because I sell things on Facebook Marketplace pretty frequently. So I wanted to have it where it was easy to grab. And also if I wanted to buy something on Facebook Marketplace, I could potentially use this envelope. Then I have one for home decor, if I make a little trip to TJ Maxx or Ross. And I also have an envelope for makeup because I love makeup. That is what my channel is pretty much about. So I do have an envelope. We'll be stuffing that. And then I also have an envelope for work lunch separate from restaurants because I do like to get my lunch out once a week when I go into the office. If I have to drive an hour to work, you better believe I'm getting Chick-fil-A for lunch. So we're gonna start with my wallet. Groceries is getting $90. 50, we did 150, 120, 110, and 2 5s. I do like to diversify the bills depending on where we're going or if I need to give money to my husband. So we've got, let's see, 50, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 11, 12, 13, so $113. That is great for the week because I do also have a meal box this week. Occasionally we get Every Plate meal delivery and we already got our box for this week, so that means that I probably won't need to use all $113, which is awesome. All right, eating out or restaurants is getting 80, and we are going to put probably 20 of that into my work lunch. So we are getting 150, 120, and 2 5s. So we are going to put, you know what, let's just put 60 into restaurants, or what is that, 7? No, yeah, 60. 60 into restaurants and 20 into work lunch. Sometimes I like to get a coffee on the way, or breakfast and lunch, like if I didn't have all my, you know, planning together. Okay, makeup gets 15 this week. And let's see what else is in here. Home decor, we aren't stuffing this week. Everything else, I think we've hit. So wallet is done. See if there's anything in this binder. This was my holiday binder. So anything holiday related, Christmas, birthdays, Mother's Day, Father's Day, things like that. Birthdays is getting a 50 this week. So we now have 70, which is great because my husband and brother both have birthdays in October. So there will be some gifts that need to be purchased for them. Okay, and I don't think anything else is getting, oh, vacation is. I have a mom's weekend with my sister-in-law. It's getting $50. We do that in November. We just get a hotel in a nearby city and we go to a spa. So it's getting $50 for vacation. Okay, that one is done. All right, my blue binder has my long-term savings, and car maintenance is getting $10 this week. And I actually am gonna have to spend quite a bit of this because we got an oil change in one of our cars. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. That should cover the oil change, I hope. So I'll be taking that in my wallet when I go pick up the car. Nothing else in this week is getting anything. In this one I have things like mortgage, if I want to save some money to pay ahead on the mortgage, garden and yard, repairs, car maintenance, self-care, property taxes. Okay, and then this binder, I think I'll probably have to end up reworking my binders at some point. This is my short-term sinking funds. Household is getting 40. So things like paper towels, toilet paper, toothpaste, that's what I'm classifying as household. Date night isn't getting anything. Clothing is not getting anything. Family activities, not this week. Gifts, not this week. Kids, not this week. Hair is getting $20. Because my husband and daughter both need haircuts this week. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. So now we are more than stocked on the hair front. So that's great. That's fully funded for October. Pets is not getting anything. Electronics is not getting anything. I'm definitely behind because I still have $30. So what did I miss? Did I do entertainment? Oh, okay. Chase gets $10 for his wallet just for spending. And so what do I have? I still have 20. What did I miss? That gets 10, but we still have 10 more dollars. So where did I mess up? Car maintenance got 10, Chase has 10, family activities has 10, home maintenance got 10, makeup got 15, hair got 20, household got 40, spa weekend got 50, eating out got 80. I wonder if I did eating out wrong. No? Where did I go wrong? Where does this go? We'll get better at doing this. Let me know if you enjoy. We're learning together. So if this is something you're trying to start too, you know, learn along with me. We'll have a good time. We're gonna get back on track, gonna get our finances in tip-top shape. Currently my goals with these 4 binders right now is to pay off our car and a small credit card balance. It's not a lot. We're gonna have that credit card paid this month. But then we do have our car payment, which we still have about $11,000 to pay on that. So I'm hoping to get that paid off nice and early because I'm tired of that car payment. So that's our next goal. From there, then we're going to be working on building up our savings account to have a 6-month emergency fund. And yeah, that's where we're at. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you would like to see more videos on cash stuffing, I will link a few of my favorites that I found on YouTube below. I know this is totally like not the norm that we do on my channel, so let me know if you like it. If you don't, I'm enjoying doing it, so there you have it. Come back next week and we will stuff another week's worth of pay. We do get paid every single week. My husband and I are on off bi-weekly schedules, so that's really nice. I do get to stuff every single week. So yeah, I'll have everything that I've used here linked below if you are interested. And again, those content creators that are a little bit more experienced than me that have been doing this longer. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.